Got a chili bum in your F150? Let's warm things up. First things first, check the basics. Is your truck even on? And is the heated seat button pressed? Sounds simple, but you'd be surprised. Next, let's talk fuses. If your seat's not heating, it might be a blown fuse. Open your fuse box, usually under the hood or beneath the dashboard. Look for the one labeled heated seats. If it's blown, replace it. Still cold? The wiring might be the culprit. Over time, wires can get damaged or disconnected. Check under the seat for any loose or broken wires. If you spot any, it's best to let a pro handle the fix. You don't want to make things worse. Now let's talk about the heating element. It's like an electric blanket inside your seat. If it's broken, the seat won't heat. Unfortunately, this can be a bit pricier to fix. You'll likely need a mechanic. Lastly, check the seat's thermostat. If the seat heats up but then turns off quickly, it could be a faulty thermostat. This tiny part regulates the seat's temperature. If it's not working, you'll need to replace it. So remember, check your basics, fuses, wiring, heating elements, and thermostat. Still stuck? Time to call in the experts. Thanks for watching. Stay warm out there, F150 fans.